ED promises pay rise for soldiers. The 13th of August 2025, President Emerson Mnangagwa has pledged to address salary gaps within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, ZDF, saying his administration is prioritizing the welfare of service members. Speaking during Defense Forces Day commemorations in Harare yesterday, Mnangagwa said the Defense Forces Service Commission was working on rationalizing salary differences between ranks as part of the long-delayed implementation of the military salary concept. Government's improvement of the conditions of service for members of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces is ongoing. He said, the Defense Forces Service Commission is engaged in a process to rationalize the inter-rank salary differentials, in tandem with efforts to finalize implementation of the military salary concept. Mnangagwa said work was also underway to complete the ZDF referral hospital at Maniame Air Base and to upgrade other military health facilities across the country. On accommodation, he said innovative financing models were helping to resolve the perennial shortage of institutional housing for ZDF members. He added that the government was rolling out a phased transport program, including operational vehicles and buses to ferry troops. Mnangagwa challenged the ZDF to enhance its capabilities in light of emerging threats, such as economic instability, climate change, cyberattacks, pandemics, and terrorism. He also praised their role in civil operations, including border control, anti-drug campaigns, disaster response, and food distribution. The role of the ZDF in addressing climate change and disaster preparedness is worth commendation. He said, during the last rainy season, their involvement in search and rescue operations to assist flood victims brought speedy relief to affected communities. The president reaffirmed Zimbabwe's position on defending its sovereignty, while supporting regional and global peace initiatives through SADC, the African Union, and the United Nations. We will never sacrifice our legitimate rights, our peace, and our security. Our commitment to a peaceful international order anchored on equality of nations remains unshakable, Mnangagwa said. Change in the lives of service members will not only come from promises, but from delivery. The welfare, housing, and health care of soldiers are the backbone of a strong defense force. When those who protect the nation are well supported, the entire country stands more secure.